Good morning, class. How are you? I am Premlata, your geography teacher. Yesterday we have started 12th class geography chapter 5th, primary activities. So, in previous video we have discussed about the pastoralism. We have discussed about the nomadic lifestyle of the early humans when they have settled themselves. So, in yesterday we have discussed that in the early phase, those persons who were the nomadic herders were not settled at a proper place because of due to the seasonal variations they have to change their places. Now next one is when the people were aware about the seasonal change, about the natural changes, then they start seed sowing. They start farming activities. So today we will discuss the next topic of the same chapter, agriculture. Let me start the topic. Agriculture. This topic is not new for us. In the 10th class also, NCERT Geography chapter 4th, we have discussed all these things, type of farming also and cropping patterns also. So agriculture is the activity which is done by humans to till the land and getting the production from the nature directly. Two types of agriculture or farming activities we will discuss today. First one is subsistence, then next one is commercial. First of all, the men start to do farming activities for the family consumptions only, to fulfill the needs of the family members. So, at that time, primitive farming took place. The person who were living near the valleys, near the river areas, they start to slash and burn the forest areas, clean them and use the traditional tools, hoe, doe, to dig the soil, to till the soil and do the farming activities. Completely they would depend on the rainfall for the irrigation. They were use their family members for the work in the farms. So at that time they were able to do the farming work at a small places. They were doing work for their needs only. But with the passage of time, so many changes took place. Then they start population growing rapidly, then food grains demand increase. So the people have to increase the production from the same patch of land. Then intensive farming was started on the same patch of land. Now they were using the fertilizers, pesticides, they were using the machines, tools to increase the production. Next one is, what is jhuming cultivation? Jhuming cultivation is a local name in northeastern part of India for slash and burning cultivation. Slash and burning cultivation is known by different names in different part of the world. In central USA, it is in Mexico, it is known as milpa. Next one, jhuming cultivation is banned by the government because of due to that air pollution took place and most of the precious plants exploited. That's why now it is banned by the government. Why they were doing such kind of cultivation? Because of after 2-3 times of production, the soil lose its fertility. So for getting the fertility again, they leave the patch of land and they clean the another patch of land to find the production. Next one is commercial. It's clear by naming commercial farming. This type of farming is done for earning purpose. So in this type of farming, the farmers do the work, use all the tools, machines, fertilizers, pesticides to increase the production. Or such kind of farming can be done to fulfill the need of the industries. So when such kind of farming activities were started in India or maybe in other part of the world, that is the important question. So due to the colonial system, a lot of industries were set up in the European continent and different parts of the world. Then there was great demand of raw material for feed the industries. So rapidly growing population also and the industrialization also, these were the factors behind the development of the commercial farming. So in the commercial farming, different types of crops are grown, like that paddy, wheat also the part of commercial farming. So commercial farming has one type, plantation farming. Some crops are planted. First of all, these crops, these seeds are prepared in nursery. Then after that, getting the plants maybe size of 5-6 inch. Then it can be planted on a large farm. Same type of crops can be planted in a big farm. And many tools, machines, fertilizers, pesticides and human labors required for such kind of farming. Tea plantation and coffee plantation can be in hilly areas. Next one is mixed farming. What is mixed farming? Mixed farming means different types of crops can be grow at the same time. Means food grains and fodder for the animals also. And crop rotation system will be also used. Next one is dairy farming. Dairy farming is known as for the animal husbandry, to rear the animals, different types of animals, some for the milk and milk products, some for the meats and some for the other purposes. So during the dairy farm, the people give more emphasis on the take care of the animals and best quality of food and water availabilities. Next one is the viticulture. Viticulture is known for the farming for the growing of the grapes. Next one is the horticulture. Horticulture is the farming of the fruits and vegetables. So India is the fourth producer of the fruits and vegetables in the Asia continent and 13th on the level of the world. Fruits and vegetables, these type of agriculture or farming can be done near the urban areas, town areas, so that the transportations will be available and market should be nearby to get the profit. Next one is collective farming. Collective farming means most of the peasants or small farmers or big farmers, they can collect their land and small plot will be together collectively combined, and all the farmers and all the peasants will work together. After the production, they will get their share. So in such type of farming is known as under the kolkhoz. Such kind of farming activities took place in Russia after the Russian Revolution. So on the behalf of today's video, you are able to know that what is agriculture, the types of farming. Subsistence farming, it's two types, primitive and intensive farming. Then commercial farming, lot of types are there for the commercial farming. Now question arises, what is happening today is, now most of the farmers, whether these are the small or the big farmer, they are giving more emphasis on commercial farming because they want to get lot of benefits from that. Now I am giving an example of a famous country of the world, USA. US is the second major exporter of the wheat in the world market and major producer of wheat, we can say. Only 1% people are included in the farming activity, or we can say the primary sectors. One farmer have more than 600 hectares, 900 hectares, or maybe near about 1000 of hectares. And all the works are done by the machine. From the plowing to sowing, weeding, irrigation system, pesticiding, fertilizing, manuring, harvesting, then threshing and winnowing. They are having big silos and they sell the product in the world market and getting lot of profits. So, with the help of today's video, you will be write 10 very short questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.